This is your code book. In this video we are going to discuss about another looping statement in Python, that is for statement. In Python, the for statement is used to iterate over a sequence of items, which means go through each item in a sequence. In data type, already we studied about the sequence. In sequence category, we have a list, tuple, and set, and then range function. So these kind of things we can include in this for statement. So this for statement is different from if you know about for loop in any other programming languages. So look at the syntax for the variable in. Okay, so here for and in is a keyword, and sequence may be list, tuple, or string, range, anything, colon, and then we have a number of statements. So this go through the each item in a sequence. When the item reach to the last level, the loop goes to next statement. So look at the flow of execution. Item on the sequence, it is true, so go to statements and it takes the next item. So the process is repeated, and when there is no item in the sequence, so the control goes to next statement. So this is the flow of execution. So let's write the code for the same problem. Okay, so write a program to find sum of n numbers. So we know that the input n is equal to 10. So the process and output. So here we have to repeat the addition process. So addition operation. So let's write the code to solve this problem. The same. Okay. So sum of n numbers, n input, enter a number, and here no need to give this initial value. So let me explain to this code again. So for I in. Okay, so look at here. So the for is a keyword, and similarly in is a keyword. And here we are going to use the range function. So the next video I will explain about this range function with more detail. So the range of, in bracket, so we are going to read the n value from the user end. So n plus 1. So then only we will get exact output. So for I in range of n plus 1. Suppose here look at the input value. So our n value is equal to 10. So the range of 10, the range of 11, 10 plus 1, 11, and then here sum equal to I. So again the meaning of this statement is sum is equal to sum plus I. And then the next statement, after the for loop, we will print the sum value. So sum, sum. So this is the code for to find sum of n numbers using for loop. So here the range of n plus 1. So after that the next video I will explain about this range function. So now in short, so range of 11. So because if our n value is 10, the range of 11. So the range of 11 means the starting value is 0 and end value is 10. Okay, so the 11 does not include in the range. The start value is always 0 and then the end value is 10. So actual stop value not included in the range. So let's run the program, enter the number, I am giving 10, so we will get 55. So let's see the visualization of this code. So look at the program. So n is equal to int input enter a number, sum is equal to 0, I in range of n plus 1, sum plus equal to I. So click visualize execution. So I am giving 5 only. Okay. So submit. So look at here, n value is equal to 10. Click next button. Now sum is equal to 0. Click next button. Look at here. Now I value is equal to 0. Here the starting value is 0. So the range function always the starting value is 0. So click next button. So now 0 plus 0. So sum is equal to 0. So now look at the I value. I value is incremented by 1. So the next item in a sequence. So I value is equal to 1. So now sum value is updated. Next I values becomes 2. Sum value is 3. Next item in a sequence is 3. Sum value is 6 and 4. So I value is 4. Sum is equal to 10. So now I value is equal to 5. Sum is equal to 10. So next sum value is equal to 15. So next the control goes to the next statement, that is after the for loop. Okay, so there is no items in a sequence. So because the range is 0 to 5. So our input value is 5. So this range of 6, which means 0 to 5. The stop value does not include in the range. So click next button. You can see the output in output screen. So that's about the looping statement, for looping statement in Python. So again solve this factorial program using for loop. So in this video we discussed about for looping statement in Python. Thank you.